Greetings students, and welcome to your tutorial video for part D of our puzzle cube. Let's remind ourselves of what part D looks like, and let's also remember that each cube measures 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. And for any distance greater than one cube, we simply have to add together 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. Now we're going to use Autodesk Inventor like we've done on the other three pieces, and I'll be going a little bit faster this time as your abilities increase and as you get better with this program. So let's go ahead and find Autodesk Inventor on our desktop and go ahead and launch that. Now they have been working on our product licensing, and so if you get this message, just click on Activate, and the next window that'll pop up will ask you to continue with activation. At some moment that will pop up on our screen. I'm going to wait for it because I've tried this many times. There it is. So we just want to connect now and activate, and click next, and it should say thank you for activating Autodesk Inventor. Thank you for activating. So we can click finish, and now Inventor will go ahead and load like it has prior to the new licensing. Now all of our puzzle cube pieces are created as parts. So when we choose part, it will bring up our part creation window, and we will be creating a two-dimensional sketch of this profile of the outline of this part. So right here we're going to click on 2D sketch, and I'm going to choose my XY plane. Now I may not have done this in all the videos, but this is a good habit to get in. We want to use our origin point right here as kind of the beginning of our shape. It'll help us lock our shape in place. And you can use your scroll wheel to reposition so you have plenty of room. And I'm going to click on a line, and I'm going to connect to that origin point. It'll turn green when I'm connected. And then, without worrying about actual measurements, I'm going to create a sketch of part D. And I know that this side over here is a nice long line, and then this way we come back over and down and over and up. We want to make sure we're perpendicular or that we're horizontal. We do want to let it do those things for us. And then this way, and then down, and then over, and then we're going to connect right there. Now I know it looks kind of wonky, but that's what the dimensions are for. So we'll start with our outermost dimensions. Now in this case, it's not going to measure a total 3 inches because we don't go 4 cubes over. We only go 3 cubes over, which is 2.25. This direction, on the other hand, is 4 cubes, which equals 3 inches. This one should be 0.75, and I'm just walking my way around the shape, putting in the dimensions that I know. And as I put those in, they'll start turning purple, telling me that everything has been dimensioned correctly. This one should be 0.75. And so should this one. That's interesting that it's not. So I'm going to have to go ahead and add that one to make this shape bump into place. This one should also be 0.75. And so should this one, 0.75. And when the whole shape turns purple, we will have added all the dimensions we need. Now we're missing this one right back here, and that should do it. Okay, everything's nice and purple. I can click Finish Sketch. We'll zoom out so I can see it, and then we're going to do Extrude to give it that third dimension that's also 0.75. And then the last touch is to make it look like the puzzle cube piece, which in this case is red. So I'm going to click up here, and I'm going to scroll way down, and I'm going to find Smooth red. And then because I'm asking you all to create a screenshot of these, remember the screenshot is called the snipping tool. And when you click snipping tool, it will let you draw a window around the shape that you wish to save. And you can save that as a JPEG and then submit it on Google Classroom. Thank you so much for watching Part D's tutorial video. May you live long and prosper.